Morning, we are talking about again, we are revising laws of exponents. Then only we are the negative exponents, as I told you before. Today, by this class, I will bind up that lesson. Exponents. So everything I explained today, I will try. We can finish that today. Now listen here. A to the power of m divided by b to the power of n. No, sir, this must be m. Same. The power or exponent must be same. I told you in the laws, sometimes the base is same, sometimes the power is same. Now listen here, look here. You can see here. What is the power of A? Tell me, Hiba, what is the power of A? Here you can see 7 to the power of 10 or A to the power of n. What is the power of A? Hiba, tell me. What is the power of A? Maliha, what is the power of A? Are you there or not? നിങ്ങൾ റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യും മക്കളെ, എന്നാലല്ലേ എനിക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് ക്ലാസ് പോകാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾ 10 പേരില്ലേ ഇപ്പോ? What is the power of A? Tell me.
N.
Yes, the power of A is M here. The power of what is the base here? Tell me, what is the base here? 7 to the power of 10. What is the base?
7.
7. 10 is the power, 10 is the exponents. So look here, the exponents M, or we can say the power M. Both the case, the power is same. So we can write this A by B all to the power of M. All of you write again. Yesterday we wrote this, but I didn't explain. In video only I explained. Your textbook also class 7 textbook mistake is there. That is why again I am telling you. Class 7 textbook, page number 200. All of you open page number 200. Again, you can see the last part, red color. What we have discussed, maybe pink color, this one. All of you, please check this one. The same laws, class 7 extension. Here it is correct, but class 7 it is wrong, last part. So A to the power of M, B to the power of M, that is A by B to the power of M. Okay, fine. Ziad or one other side also send me the answer. Not answer, but assignment I give. Example for everyone. Good. I am happy. But small mistake is there. But doesn't matter, you have to do. I am always telling 85% what he sent me, that is correct. Only 2%, 5% is wrong, and 10% confusion also. I told you something is better than nothing. I want something from you, constructive method. Here example, I can take any example. Okay, sir. What is, suppose this one, a small example, I am taking. Suppose this is 100 to the power of 3 divided by 20 to the power of 3. Okay, according to the law, your A is 100 and M is 3. MB is 20 and M is 3 only. Here the base is different, 120, and the power is 3. Okay, sir, what we did, 100 divided by 20 all to the power of 3. All of you write this one. 100 divided by 20 all to the power of 3, or cube. That means here we can do in the working column, don't do the 100 by 20. You know that is 5. That means your answer is 5 to the power of 3. See the beauty? Instead of 100 into 100 into 100 divided by 20 into 20 into 20, we can do 5 cube. That means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, that is 625. 25 into 5 is 125, not 625. 125. 425, 100, 525, 120. Now look here. That is why we are using the laws. By using the laws, we can do calculation easily. By using the identities, we can make algebra easy. From identities, we came to exponents identities before. So any example you can take, anything. Suppose, second example, I think today is 16 or 17. What's the date today? Now, here any example we can take. Another example, suppose 64 divided by, listen carefully, 64 divided by, or 64 to the power of 5 divided by 32 128 to the power of 5, a big number. Suppose, how can we do this one? How can say it is a big number? We can make it small. See the example. 64 to the power of 5 divided by 128 to the power of 5. Can you please do like this and try that? Try it. Try that and tell me the answer. We can write 64 by 128 to the power of 5. Anybody got the answer? Tell me. Yeah, think a little bit. You know, math, some questions are there. You can say Olympiad or math aptitude test. Some tests are going on. International level is going on. There is some question like that. After this, an easy question.
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to
5.
Is this the answer? Check again. You are coming to the answer, but it is not correct.
32.
No, not 32. Listen here. You are coming to the answer what I told. Here, 64 by 128. As you are told, 64 128 all to the power of 5. That means we can cut this. But this is 1 by 2, not 2 by 1. 64 1 times double is 128. 1 by 2 is here, not 2. You made mistake here, division. So that is 1 by 2 all to the power of 5. What is 1 by 2 to the power of 5? Anybody please tell me. 1 by 2 to the power. Write the answer. That is 1 by 2 to the power of 5. That is, what is 1 by 2 to the power of 5? What is the answer? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is big 1. 2 into 2, 4, 2s are 8, 2s
1
are
by
16.
10.
1 by 10, no. This is power.
1
It
by
is not 2 into
32.
5. Yes, 2 into 2, 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. 1 by 32 is the answer. All of the right. Because you are making here calculation mistake, the initial here again be constant. Idea arrange concentrate. കുറച്ച് കുട്ടികൾ മാത്രം സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ട് കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ്. ഐ ആം ഓൾവേസ് ടെല്ലിങ് കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ്. മാത്സ് ഐ ഡോണ്ട് ബി ഷാർപ്പ് ടു ദ പോയിന്റ്. നിങ്ങൾ പാസ്വേഡ് ഒക്കെ ഒരു നൊട്ടേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു നമ്പർ തെറ്റിയാൽ പോവില്ലേ? ഏത് പാസ്വേഡ് ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബാങ്കിൽ എന്ത് കാർഡ് എന്തായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ബി കെയർഫുൾ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഡു ദിസ് വൺ. ഹൗ ക്യാൻ യു ഡു ദിസ്? This is very interesting. This is a question from your textbook also, one question like this. Exam point of view also. Yesterday I told you one maths aptitude test also the question was class 8 only. You have to think a little bit here. A raised to 4 by 2 raised to 8. A raised to 4 by 2 raised to 8. Sir, you told it is 4 and 8. No, sir. Yes, you cannot now, but we can manipulate. What I told, the power must be same. Here the power is different, sir. Or the base must be same. We did like that only. We cannot do 7 to the power of 6 and 6 to the power of, look, we can do 7 to the power of 6 into 6 to the power of 7. That is a confusion now for us, no easy method. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, 6 times, into 6 into 6 into 6 into 7 times. It will take time. But our concept is, suppose, sir, you are writing 7 to the power of 6 according to our curriculum, that is syllabus. What I am telling, the base or exponents must be same. So for you, the question will not be like, but understanding that this we can, suppose the question is maybe this one. I am writing this 7 to the power of 6 into 7 to the power of, okay, 7 to the power of 4, suppose. Now, all of you know the answer. Tell me the answer for this one. Seven to the power of 4. What is the answer of 7 to the power of 6 into 7 to the power of 4?
7 plus
7 to the power of 7 plus. You have to study the law. A raised to m into a raised to m. What is the
Power of 2.
Is the power of 2? Tell me the law, first law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of
10.
Here 10. What is a to the power of m plus n now? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. That means 7 to the power of 6 plus 4, that is 10. Exactly correct. Who told the answer? Who told the answer? Razal, excellent. All of you clap for him. Very good. Now 11 came. Now Razal, you send this screenshot because I cannot take. 11 are there. Okay, fine. Now what I am telling, there is an intelligent question. How can we do? Yes, sir. 4 and 4 we can do very fast. But here, children, this is a different question. Your textbook almost like one question is an example you can see. We can do very easily this one, class 7 also. Insert that. If you are trying a little bit. 8. Okay. 8, I can write 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. All of you listen here. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. I want to change this into power of this. You can try only. I do a different question. That means This is 2 cube. Instead of 8 raised to 4, 8 is I wrote 2 cube, then all to the power of 4 is there. 2 cube all to the power of 4 because this 4. A raised to 4, 8 is 2 cube, A raised to 4. That you know the law. 2 cube into 4, 2 to the power of 3, 4s are 12, no addition here. 2 to the power of 12. 3 into 4, we have to A raised to M into all to the power of M. Second law, third law, like that. So here, 2 to the power of 12. Okay, sir. Now we got it. 2 to the power of 12 divided by 2 to the power of 8. Now we can do that. You got the answer. A to the power of M divided by A to the power of N. That is equal to division. That is dot is there. You cannot see. Maybe. ഈ ഡോട്ട് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ ഡിവിഷൻ മൈനസ് അല്ല a to the power of m minus n ഈ ഡിവിഷന്റെ സൈൻ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ
Yes.
So my whiteboard is very clear, I think. So a to the power of m minus n. So we got the answer. A basis same, sir. Yes, right, 2. Then 12 minus 8. That is 2 to the power of 4. That will be the answer. 8, 12 minus 8 is 4, 2 to the power of 4. That means 8 into 2. That means 2, 2, 2, 2. That means 8 into 2, 32. The answer. Here also 32. So why? Doesn't matter by lucky. Anyway, so this is a method you can enjoy maths, understand the exponents law. Okay, fine. Now, the laws of exponents, you have to study well, and 6 or 7, a to the power of 0 means 1, everything we explained yesterday. Then I want in an A4 paper, these 6, 7 laws, write in an A4 paper, and each law 2 examples. മനസ്സിലായോ എൻ്റെ അസൈൻമെന്റ് മനസ്സിലായോ
Yes.
Each law you have to write. Suppose first law, a to the power of m into a to the power of n. That is a to the power of m plus n. 2 example for down. 7 to the power of 10 into 7 to the power of 2. That is equal to 7 to the power of 10 plus 2. That is 7 to the power of 12. One more example. Don't write the same example. Yesterday I told you, Ziad and another child sent me the answer. I am very happy. I told you only 2 mistakes. That is why I explained today. If you are doing only, I can understand your mistake. That is why examination told you past paper, the math test is over. How was it? Any difficulties by yesterday? Didn't respond. You know, I don't പ്രതികരിച്ചില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ explain ചെയ്തതില്ല. Anyway, now listen here. Let me finish this one. Can I എനിക്ക് മുന്നോട്ട് പോയിക്കൂടെ continue? സംശയം ഉണ്ടോ എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ട് പറയും മക്കളെ പ്ലീസ് എവിടെ പോയി മലിഹ എവിടെ പോയി മുഹമ്മദ് റസാൽ ഇബ അന ഫാത്തിമ മനാൽ മുഹമ്മദ് ഷംനാസ് your sound I cannot hear ഷംനാസ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഷംനാസ് this all children tell me you understood or not മനസ്സിലായോ
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Now, negative exponents. Very good, very good. Negative exponents. Sir, negative, you don't like, you are not told me, you don't like. I don't like because I don't want negative 100. I like 100. I know negative 100 means I lost 100. Suppose you are telling your mother, Ma, I have in my pocket minus 50 rupees. She will beat you. Because you lost 50 rupees. Now think about exponents. I told you exponents is powerful. Early morning you have to eat something. You are eating after Fajr, after Salah. You are not sleeping, I know. Then it will energize you, powerful like that. Again, I am repeating exponents. That is what yesterday we did. I told 10 or 20 to the power of 3. 20 to the power of 3 means 20 into 20 into 20. That I can say 20 into 2 into 10 into 2 into 10 into 2 into 10. Because 20 I know 2 into 10. Then how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Then 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, sir told that means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. The answer is exactly 80,000. 8,000. 2 to 8, 3 zeros. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, we are right, sir. I am giving you 20 rupees. You have to give me 20 cube rupees. You will give me? Ziyad tero? 8,000 rupees tero? No. Now see, another game I am going to start. You told me you will not, but I will give. Because negative exponents. Negative exponents means very low. Listen here. This, all of you write that yesterday, maybe you wrote that again negative, again right. Negative exponents. I told you I don't like negative, but COVID negative I want always. Please pray for that all of you to God. COVID positive is dangerous, not good. That case only. Anyway, now negative exponents. Now yesterday I told you what is the difference. We started 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 0, and we reached 10 to the power of minus 1. Yesterday, what all of you write it first? Answer write it fast in your notebook and show me now. Only 2 seconds. All of you, please. Yesterday, I explained this one. In the video also it is there. How you want to see, are you following or not? Or simply, yes, yes, because I cannot see you now. I want you into the classroom. Maybe next week you can come, I think so. I want to see. Now, please do this one, the red color. 10 square, 10 to the power of 1, and 10 to the power of 0, and 10 minus 10 to the power of minus 1, or 10 inverse 1. Another name, 10 inverse 1. And show me your notebook. I can see you. Only 4-mark question. I want to see you. 1 mark. During our class, maybe another teacher will come and enter the classroom. Doesn't matter. Don't worry. That extra part I will send you, inshallah. Continuation. As yesterday's. If you are serious, I'm also serious. We had to finish the portion. Now half an hour is over. Every day, are you going to show me the book like this? The book notebook. Muhammad Razal, open on video, audio. Show me. Muhammad Razal, show me. Open your video and show me. Show me like this. And the camera is clear. No problem. Razal. Ziyada Razal boyo. Manada mobile with boyo.
No.
Then tell me, okay, good. Okay, fine. 10 square, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 0. Who is that? Who show me that? Muhammad Razal, excellent. All of you clap for him. Let me show me your face. Video on the Razal. Every video കാണുന്നില്ല. നീ video on ആക്ക്. ഒന്ന് കാണട്ടെ. നീ നന്നായി ചെയ്തു. Razal, Ziyad, എല്ലാരും വേഗം നോക്കി. Okay, fine. Excellent. I told you clap for Nazal and Ziyad. Now here, 10 square is very good. That is 100, sir. Then 10 to the power of 1 is that is 10, sir. Then 10 to the power of 0 means that is 1, ma'am. And 10 inverse 1. What is this? Nazal. Ziyad, 10 inverse 1. What is it? You show me again that what you wrote there?
1 by 10.
1 by 10. What is the result to the power of 0? R to the power of 0. What is it?
1.
1. Ziyad to the power of 0, 1. Okay, fine. Good. Good boys and girls. 1 by 10. So my work is over. This is called negative exponents. You know 1 by 10 is mother is cutting the cake 10 parts and you are getting 1 part. Less than 1. Very, very, very less. Now here I am giving you please give me 20 cube. I will give you 20 to the power of minus 3. Our game is going to start. It is time. Are you ready? Ready on another game?
No.
One game is over. I told you, Ziyad and Razal and what is that? Another children are there, 11. We can start. All of you take money? Okay. 20. I am giving you 20. You have to give me 20 cube. No possible. Ziyad told me. Because 20 cube is a huge amount of 8,000. That is maybe salary of 1 month like that only. But you don't have salary. You cannot give. No. Another game. You give me 20 rupees. I will give you 20 to the power of minus 3 rupees. Listen. You give me 10 rupees. I'll give you 10 to the power of minus 1 rupees. You give me 100 rupees, I will give you 100 to the power of minus 2 rupees. Can you play?
No.
Why not? Why not? Your answer is correct. You will not ready. First case you told me, sir, no, because it is a huge amount. Now I am telling you, give me. I will give you exponent. This is also exponent. No, your answer is correct. This is 20 to the power of minus 3 or 10 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 10. If you are giving me 100 rupees, I can give 100, I know 10 inverse 10 square. I can give you 10 inverse 2. That means 100 inverse 1 is 1 by 100. 1 by 100. That means you are giving me 100 real, 100 rupees, I am giving you 1 rupee. Beautiful game. But you are ready, not ready, correct? Here, tell me what is 20 inverse 3 now? 1 by 20 to the power of 3. That means 1 by 8,000. Listen here. This is 1 by 8,000. 20 rupees you are giving 1 by 8,000. That means of that one. That's a small amount only, 1 part. Now listen here. See, 1 rupee you are cutting into 80,000 part. Then 1 part out of that. That is fraction. Now, what I am telling this inverse you have to study. Then inverse from here you understood. Now we have to apply that. It is a very small amount, very less amount. Because don't confuse, sir, what is inverse? All laws we can apply for that. What we studied before, exponents law. Your textbook is telling for inverse, negative exponents or inverse exponents. One more word is the inverse. Inverse exponent. Maybe your textbook it is that inverse. Don't worry. What is this? Inverse exponents. Same thing. Inverse exponents. No. It is very clear, I think so. 5 inverse 3 means 1 by 5 cube. That is 1 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Suppose if this 1 by 5 inverse 4, it will be 1 by 5 raised to 4. We go into 5 because yesterday I think one boy made this mistake. That's way. Tell me what is 1 by 5 raised to 4? 1 by, what is this? 5 into 5? 25. 25 into 5? 125. 125 into 5 is 25. Or you can do like the 5 into 5 is 25. Again 5 into 5 25. You know 25 by 25 is that is 625. That way also you can do. Whatever be that, I told you it will take time. You had to understand this properly. Exponents. Even though now you are facing difficulty, but it is very, very interesting. Big number using exponents, we can represent, we can show very less, very, very, very small number. You know the sun distance from earth to sun, the distance of sun from earth to earth. Anybody know that? What is that? 3 into 10 to the power of, you studied or not? The distance of the sun from the earth, a huge amount. It is the your textbook, I think so. I remember it when I read this one. Large and very small number. Diameter of sun, the distance, every distance between the sun and earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 zeros. Big amount, 10 to the power of 11. But sometimes, what is the circumference or weight of a virus? COVID virus, very less. Bacteria, that means we can say 1.5 into 10 inverse 11 or 12. Very small, you know, you cannot see that through the microscope. That is why we are using that. Anyway, I think you understood exponents, negative exponents. So don't confuse too much what I am telling. It is like this one. All of you like the example, negative exponents and inverse, that means negative exponent and the same thing, inverse exponents. So example 1. All of you write it. Negative exponent. Continuously yesterday's one, 5 inverse 4. Now, minus 2 inverse 3, don't confuse here. Minus 2 inverse 3. Is the idea?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now I'm going to fast try to parry. Are on the left side chello. Who is that? Who? Screenshot on the way. I want to see who is left out. Now maybe technical problems. Now minus 2 inverse 3. What is minus 2 inverse 3? Okay. What is inverse? Don't look this one. 2 inverse 3. You know what is 2 inverse 3? 2 inverse 3. That is 1 by 2 cube cell. Now minus 2. So we can say 1 by, you have a mango. A and A. Here instead of 2 minus 2. Minus 2. 1 by, see, 1 by minus 2 all cube. That means 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 all cube. Because 1 into 1 into 1, that we can say that is also cube, decimal. This is also enough. So after that, what you are getting? 1 minus half into minus half into minus half. Because of minus, I am respecting the interest. I am putting in a bracket. So 1 into 1 into 1, that is a big one. 2 into 2 into 2, that is of course 8 is greater than 2. Minus into minus into minus, that is minus. The answer is minus 1 by 8. Be careful. This minus is different. and this minus is different. This is stronger. Because of this minus ulta, you became down. The denominator that. But this minus, that is familiar for you. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. That is why last year we studied minus 1 to the power of n. When n is a positive number, that is plus. When n is an odd number, that is minus. Minus 1 to the power of 100. What is minus 1 to the power of 100? Listen. It is there. What you studied before, everything we need. Otherwise, I cannot work out. Minus 1 to the power of 100. Minus 1 to the power of 2. Tell me what is minus 1 square? Razal,
Yes.
what is minus 1 square? Minus 1 into minus 1. That
One.
is plus 2? 1.
1.
1 into 1, 1. Now, my question is minus 1 to the power of 3. What is it?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Excellent. Now, minus 1 to the power of 100. Minus 1 to the power of 4. Tell me what is it?
1.
1. Minus 1 to the power of 5 means minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 6 means 1. Minus to the power of 7 is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 8 is 1. Minus to the power of 10, 1. Minus to the power of 21, minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 51. Minus 1 to the power of 100, 1. That means here we saw that is even number. When minus 1 to the power of n, if n is an even number, you are plus 1, and n is an odd number, maybe 3, maybe 5, maybe minus 1, you are minus 1. Do you agree with me? Because
Yes.
1 into 1 into 1 always 1. But minus into plus in the world, I told you 17 times in this class, in class 8. That means whenever you multiply, different sign that is minus, same sign that is plus. Division also same. Minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, that is plus. That is the law. Again, all of you write this one. Minus 1. That also class 7. It is the same way yesterday I told you. You have to know from that. You will understand more. So I am minimizing because time factor is here. Now listen here. You please write there. I think all of you wrote here. So don't confuse this minus, 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 minus. That means minus 1 to the power of minus 3. That is minus. All of you write it. Minus 1 to the power of n. That is equal to plus 1 when n is what? You have to tell me. When n is and minus 1 to the power of n. That is negative 1 when n is. All of you complete this one. One more question. What is this? Complete that and tell me the answer. Maliha, tell me the answer. Maliha is silent today. I don't know what happened to her. 45 minutes, only 10 minutes in front of us. 9 also, 8. Why the boys are skipping, I don't know. Ajaza? Rizalum boy. ഇതുണ്ട് മനസ്സിലായി ഇതിന്റെ പറയാം യാതൊരു ഇതിന്റെ അറിയാൻ പറ്റുന്നു മറ്റുള്ളവര് അയാളെ നമ്മളെ ഇജാസയുടെ ഇജാസ ഓക്കെ ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ ഒന്ന് പറയുന്നാല് എന്താ കുട്ടികൾ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടേ ഇരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താ കളിക്കാൻ പോവാണോ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ അയച്ചിരുന്നാണ് പറയണ്ടേ I will not send. What is minus 1 to the power of n plus 1? Okay, sir, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is big 1. But when n is, tell me when n is? അറിയില്ലേ നിന്നെ നാണം കെടുത്തല്ലേ ഞാൻ എനിക്ക് അറിയാൻ കരുതി when n is?
Negative.
No. When n is? Why it is positive? My question is like when n is. ഇതിങ്ങനെ കേട്ടുണ്ടോ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നത് ആരെങ്കിലും വേറെ പറഞ്ഞ കേട്ടുണ്ടോ ഇങ്ങനെ ക്ലാസ് 7 8 8 ഞാൻ തന്നെ വന്നത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം പറയേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് റിമൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം റസാനോ സിയാദോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മലീഹ ആരെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക ഐ ആം ഇൻ ട്രബിൾ നൗ നാളെ കെടുത്തല്ലേ ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ മാത്സ് ടീച്ചർ അല്ലേ പ്ലീസ് ഹെൽപ്പ് മീ മൈ ഡിയർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ സിയാദ
Yes.
ടെൽ മീ നീ പലപ്പോഴും നല്ല ആൻസർ പറയാറുണ്ടല്ലോ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു നോക്ക്
When the n is positive number.
No. All of you open the page number 264. It is the last year. See, I told you this book I like. You know this book. Page number 264. G. Minus 1 to the power of n. That means n is an even number. Other than minus 3, odd number and even number. Even number, you know, 0 is even, 2 is even, 4 is even. First even number is 0. Multiplication of 2 is even numbers. 0 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 2, 0. That means 0 is an even number. Then 2 into 1, 2. 2 2s are 4, 6, 8. That is even numbers. When n is an even, because I told you minus 1 to the power of 4, sir, 1. Minus 1 to the power of 10, 1. Minus 1 to the power of 100, 1. Then minus 1 to the power of n, when n is odd number. That is it. Class 7. I am again reminding this book. Minus 1 to the power of n, that means odd number, and even number you will plus. മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
Okay. മനസ്സിലായപ്പോൾ ഇനി അത് വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടില്ല പറയുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടില്ല തലമണ്ട കൊള്ളുന്നുണ്ട് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? Now listen here. Many times I repeat. Here you got this one minus 1 by 8. അപ്പൊ ഈ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ now listen here. Minus 5 to the power of, what is this? It is very nice. Minus 5 into minus 5, that is 25. Now minus 5 in base 2. What is the answer for this? Write it first. Minus 5 in base 2. And the chapter complete again. Minus 5 in base 2. Tell me what is it? Okay, sir. That is 1 by minus 5 square. Here you put the bracket. That is where I put the bracket. That is 1 by minus 5 into minus 5. That is 1 by 25. See the difference? Minus 5 square is 25. Minus 5 inverse 2 is 1 by 25. Then 5 inverse 2, that also 1 by 5 square, no need of bracket, that is 1 by 5 into 5, that is 1 by 25. Because you are an even number, that is 1. What I am telling, don't confuse this side and this side. If it is minus 3, it will be 1 by minus 25. But minus for inverse 3, minus for inverse 3, that is 1 by minus 5 whole cube, that is 1 by minus 5 into 1 by minus 5 into 1 by minus 5. So you can see that is 1 by 125. But 5 inverse 3 is here, it is minus into minus into minus, that means minus 1 by 125. But 5 inverse 3 minus 5 now, 5 inverse 3, that means 1 by 5 cube, that is 1 by 5 into 5 into 5, that is 1 by 125. Here, no minus is there. This minus came because denominator minus means we can write numerator. That is the standard form. Instead of writing 2 by minus 3, let's write 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. That is the standard form. I did like the standard form actually. You will confuse yourself. This is 1 by minus 5 into minus 5 plus 5 plus 5 into minus 5 minus 125. 25 into minus 5 minus 125. The same thing, numerator, I give this minus numerator, that is the standard form. Instead of writing 1 by minus 125, you can write minus 1 by 125. You have to write. This is the standard form. This is the convention. This is beautiful. Don't give denominator minus. What is? How can you cut 125 part minus? How can your mother cut a cake into minus 5 part? Not possible. Okay. So it is not a fraction. You are a rational number. That is why in classes 7 plus 8 you studied. I told you what is the difference between rational number and fraction. This is not a fraction. You are a rational number. Fraction will not be minus. If your mother is cutting a mango or a cake, or you are cutting a chocolate, it will not be minus. Something will be there. We will not agree, sir. How come, dear children, it is minus only? No. 0 also no. It is not a fraction. But all are rational numbers. I told you very clear that chapter when we covered that chapter. Okay, I think you understood minus inverse. Manasilayo?
Yes.
Because only 5 minutes are there. Now, see another one. This all in the textbook. I am based on textbook only. Before coming to the class, after an hour, like the night, I am preparing. Otherwise, I will be outside. Now, you have to read the textbook. Everything is there. If anything you cannot understand, please ask me. Don't be scared. Feel free and interact with me. Some boys and some girls are sending to me. I'm happy. If time is there, I will answer that time. Otherwise, if more time is there, I will send the video. If not, I will that tomorrow I will send. I will answer. Because dear children, it is a powerful chapter. As I told you, algebraic expression, identities, and exponents. I think I did the continuation. After that, easy chapter is that this also easy, but it is very interesting, but little bit hard. This is the base of algebra. Next year you'll be in class 9 if you are studying well. Now, what I am telling, listen here, be careful. 2 by 3. I told you are a fraction. 2 by 3 inverse 1. See what sir is doing. Different. It is there. That we are telling. Tell me, dear children, 2 by 3 square. 2 by 3 means 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3 square? 2 by 3 square means, okay, sir. Mango square, you told me mango into mango. 3 square, you told me 3 into 3. 2 square, you told me 2 into 2. So 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. ശരിയല്ലേ? Ziyad ശരിയല്ലേ? Ziyadum പോയോ? Where are you, Ziyad?
Yes.
Maliha ശരിയാണോ?
Yes.
Okay, fine. ആരെങ്കിലും തെറ്റുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം. ഉടനെ റൈസ് ഹാൻഡ്. I can see you. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ ചാറ്റിംഗ് ഒക്കെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Now listen here. That is, I can write 2 into 2 by 3 into 3. Pure maths only. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 by 3. 4 by 9 is the answer. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Anything difficult in the മനസ്സിലായില്ല പറയാൻ activity. No, sir, what is 2 by 3 inverse 1? നിങ്ങൾ ഒന്നും അധികം ചിന്തിക്കണ്ട. തല കുത്തനട. ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ ശീർഷാസനമൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചില്ല. ഞാൻ ഈ ക്ലാസ് വരുമ്പോൾ കാണിച്ചു ശീർഷാസനം, അലാസ്, തല കുത്തന. ഇപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും തല മേലല്ലേ?
Yes.
Head down and ഞങ്ങൾ തല കുത്തന നിൽക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഇപ്പൊ എല്ലാം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ബ്ലഡ് സർക്കുലേഷൻ ഒക്കെ ശീർഷാസന പറയും എക്സസൈസിൽ. അതിൽ ബ്ലഡ് സർക്കുലേഷൻ കൂടും, കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ കൂടും. നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ വളരെ ഇന്റേണൽ മസിൽ 300 മസിൽ സ്ട്രോങ് ആയി വരും. പക്ഷേ you have to think God and do the asanas. Not now. Now here I am doing like this only. 2 by 3. Okay, fine. Here I have the cap here. You like the red color? See, this is like this. Now I am making like this. Third time I can understand. What is the problem, Rasal? Rasal nanda prashna ledhi. Where are you join cheyando? Rasal, evada povanda? Listen here. I told you I will send the video after that. Not now. If teachers are cutting. Now listen here. We are joining. Listen here. It is up and down. Here the denominator. 1 second only. 2. You are the numerator. 3. You are the denominator. What I am doing? Salakuttane. 3 or reciprocal. 3 up. Yes. Numerator is 3 and denominator. Numerator. See, that is 2. 3 by 2 to the power of 1. See, 2 by 3 inverse 1 means reciprocal. So, again I am telling 2 by 3 inverse 2 means 3 by 2 square. Inverse medical negative. So, this we know 3 by 2 square. Okay, 4 by 9, no. This is 2 by 3 square. So 3 by 2 square will be 9 by 4. That is 3 into 3 by 2 into 2. That is 9 by 4. See the difference? 2 by 3 square means 4 by 9. 2 by 3 inverse 2 means 9 by 4. ഇത് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയാൽ മതി. നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇതൊക്കെ ഓർത്തോളി സാർ. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ പടായി പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ശീർഷാസന, തലകുത്തന, റെഡ് പെന്ന് ഞാൻ നിൽക്കാറുണ്ട്. Exercise ചെയ്യുമോ? I will show you when you are coming to school after the exam, inshallah. Now listen here. Inverse. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. You know, proper fraction. Numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger, less than 1. കുറച്ച് ഭാഗം എനിക്ക് തന്നാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. റെഡ് കളർ നിങ്ങൾ തിന്നതാണ് കേക്കിന്റെ. ഇതാ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ മറ്റു പിള്ളേർക്ക് കൊടുക്കണം. Now, like this improper fraction. Denominator up and numerator down. That is called reciprocal. Reciprocal കേട്ടില്ലേ?
Yes.
That is it. That means reciprocal up and down. Now tell me, what is the reciprocal of 7? What is the reciprocal of 7? 7 means 7 by 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Reciprocal, that means 1 by 7. Indirectly reading, tell me what is 7 in base 1? 1 by 7 അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചില്ലേ? What is
Yes.
7 in base 2? 1 by 7 square അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ അറിയാതെ ചെയ്തു. ആ ലോ ഇവിടെ 1 ആയിക്കൊണ്ട് it will be silent. ഞാൻ മുണ്ടില്ല നിങ്ങളൊരു അക്ഷരം. കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആക്കണ്ടാന്ന് കരുതി. കാരണം അപ്പൊ തന്നെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ വെറുക്കും മാത്സിനെ. എന്താ സാറേ? Now I am telling this one was hiding. I told you 1 is the best friend for multiplication. 0 is the enemy, dangerous atom bomb. 7 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1, nothing. 7 only. 7 into 100 into 1, 100. But 100 into 0 into 2, 0 atom bomb.
Atom
So
bomb.
multiplication, 0 is your enemy and 1 is your best friend. Okay, fine. Who want to talk? Yes? Anything? Tell me. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, listen here. 2 by 3 inverse 2 means 3 by 2 square. Now, that only that one, within 1 or 2 minutes, we can conclude this one. Then only you can do the exercise. So, listen here. 5 by
7:30.
3 inverse 4. Tell me what is the answer for this one.
44.
5 by 3 inverse 4. What is the answer? Reciprocal, 5 by 3. Look this, 3 by 5. All to the power of 4. Finish. That means 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. That you know. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? This is 3 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That's the answer. Now tell me, what is the inverse of? No, what is the reciprocal or what is the 2? Okay, 12 by 17 inverse 1. What is it?
17 by 12.
17 by 12. Finish. 17 by that is reciprocal. Okay, now homework. Write all of you. 1. 3 by 7 inverse 2. 2. 7 by 5 inverse 3. 4. 10 inverse 1. That is equal to 5. 8 by 11 inverse 5. 5 question and very interesting question. Last but not the least, I can say 6th one. Be careful here. There is something, whatever that. Listen here. 25 by 125 inverse 3. You have to use your intelligence and brain, whatever that common sense also. Okay, then I think the time is 5 minutes over. Okay, tell sorry for the teachers and thank you. Okay, bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, do the homework and send to me. Assignment also, please.